What's up, guys? Back for another video. Today, I couldn't think of a video idea, so I'm just gonna be showing you every animal on my cousin's farm. And then when I go back to my house, most of my videos are gonna be at my cousin's house, just because I'm mostly here most of the time. We hang out a lot, and I'm just gonna be showing you every animal on his farm. I think you can already tell which animal I'm gonna be showing you first. You can hear it in the background. His chickens. So this is just a normal chicken. These right here kind of rare, and then this straight black one right. No, that one right there. They lay blue eggs, but he doesn't have a female right now. But they lay blue eggs. Black. They have. No, that's not the ones that lay blue eggs. The white one, black one right there. Not the rooster. The female right there. They lay blue eggs, but that solid black one with even the black thing, see, like, they have a red thing on top. He has a black one, and he has black meat, black feathers, everything's black, and even his meat's black. And there's one more chicken. Okay, and then the stinky, messy. Good thing y'all can't smell. Mr. Piggy, his name's Spot. Look at that mud. Look at all the bugs. See all those little black dots? Those are bugs. And that's pretty nasty. Yeah. Well, if you ask me, that's nasty, but then Snowball. Her name is Snowball. She's got hit by a car, and but she's better now. Her spine's hurt though, so she can't walk. Come on, Snowball. I'll show you. Come on. Can't really tell on camera. But over here is baby chickens. He has baby chickens, and yeah. He has baby chickens. 3 of them in here. I think this is the rest of the chickens. I think there's like 1 rooster in there, maybe 2. I'm not sure. But then his ferrets. What are you doing?
Walking your house. What do you expect?
Ryder, come here. They know who you are. Come on. Yeah, I'm at Ryder's. I know in the last 2 videos, they've been gone to the freaking mall, and y'all left me to almost get killed by a killer clown.
Not to have somebody over. No way. How? First of all, when you first told me that was a killer clown, I was like, this has to be a joke. Well, I watched the video. I was honestly freaked out.
And then the freaking clown commented on the video.
He did?
Yeah, you have to go look at it. I'll show the comment in this video. It's so creepy. It's like the old It mixed with the new It, and its comment. I can't remember what it said, but it's freaking creepy. Next time,
Is it clown or something?
I think it's like the killer clown.
No,
but
or is it the clown?
I don't know. I think it's the clown. One of the 2. Oh, did you see the comment?
Yeah. It was on my video too. He said, I'm pretty sure he said, beep, beep, I'm going to kill you too.
And I think, oh yeah, and there's a video.
Oh, yeah, by the way, I saw the video.
It's creepy. But next video, next time I'm here, I'm going out there to look for
Wait,
it.
didn't you see him outside making that video?
Yeah, I came out there in the middle of it.
And it was just silent. I saw him. At the end.
And then he ended the video, and like, it was creepy. I know you were back there using the bathroom.
I just got out and I saw him starting running. He
took off running down the road. But next video, we're going to go out there, because I think I saw him like, back there. make sure like it was him. Like I was just trying to see what he was doing. And I was standing there. I don't know how. Hopefully he didn't see him. The next video I'm going up there to look for him. Because I saw him out there. Like, I saw his like little clown outfit.
So he had that clown outfit before. Did he just get it?
I
He
think.
made it.
Yeah. Like that clown is so annoying. Like he's so freaking annoying and stupid. Yeah, he's just. But here's the other animals. There. Rabbits. They're cute. Look, little bitty. And then there's like the mom or dad. And then ferrets. The stinkers. They stink. Stinker, stinker, stinker. You stink. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. What are you doing? There isn't no cows, but he has cows. They're like way more. But what else other animals do you have? Oh, he has a bunch of cats. A bunch of cats, don't you, Ryder? Don't you have a bunch of cats? Oh, he has a guinea hen, which he loves guinea hens. He's getting more. Thank for Christmas. Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm getting a phone.
Here's one. One cat.
Kitty.
And then there's his kitty. Which that one's smaller
You
than
saw
the kitty.
that one in the first video. Let me pick him up. Oh, dang. Trust me, he's not your big skin.
It's just, yeah, when he was littler.
See, the kitty's mean to him. He won't let him play. That kitty's like scared of him.
Yeah, but look, when he was little, he used to attack everybody. And then there's Blue, he likes to chase the cat. And then Duke, I didn't show him.
Demon.
You hear you. Blue, Duke.
He's always in my video.
He's a good dog. Let's, yeah, the one in the first clown video, the one where I almost freaking died and he came in the house, that was the dog. Blue was barking, chasing him, which I highly appreciate that, Blue. Thank you. I'll give you a treat. Here's the porch. I'll have to show you a video if you don't know what he's talking about. If you don't know what he's. Okay. Ow! If you don't know what he's talking about, Duke just freaking bit me.
He did?
Yeah, he was just playing around though. He was like. Okay, and then kitty, 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 kitty. I guess while I'm in here, I might as well.
What is pause?
I might as well show you the comment and the video. I'll have to do it on his computer. I have to do it. Blue, we all know how you bark. I mean, we've had it in like 5 videos. You ain't got to show me some more. But yeah.
Almost every video.
And yeah.
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Don't scare me, I'm hugged.
Yeah,
I'll shout you out in every single video, pretty much, other than the freaking Killer Clown videos. Because I was mad at you for, well, it wasn't really your fault. I was the one that wanted to stay home by myself. But, you know. And if you're wondering, before anybody goes commenting, no, I do not live with him. I just come over, like, almost every single day. Like this weekend.
SpongeBob, the new...
Yeah, I don't want to, like... That's kind of creepy.
Show him. No, show them again. It actually looks different.
Just show him.
Man, comment too. Which one was like out?
Scoot over.
Please show
Oh yeah, here's his YouTube name. That's what you're gonna look for.
Is it this one?
Scoot over.
Oh crap, it's not. I think it's mine.
Please. It's
actually
scary.
Maven.
I guess I could show it.
Hold on.
It's his YouTube channel.
No. I'll fail you on the internet. Oh.
If one of you comment saying shout me out, I'll most likely shout you out in this video. If I see the comment, if you want to.
My don't remember scout video.
If you wanna.
This guy wanted a shout out from me.
Yeah,
and a shout
but
out.
if
Keiki. Keiki has a good YouTube channel. Sub to him.
If you wanna shout out, you just say so, and I'll shout you out.
Hey, here's a hit to my Johnny video. Look, show them. Dang, I should. Yeah, it's private right now. It's not named, but I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna make it a Johnny.
Okay, so yeah.
Wait, hold on. Don't end it yet. I need to find.
know.
I think it's this one.
I love you too, furry boy.
Okay, hurry up. We gotta find it.
I don't know what it is.
Well, it's taking forever.
Hold on, I got it. Are you kidding me?
Why is
Trust
it
me.
taking
No,
so
stop.
long?
Don't stop filming. I need to spell them. I think it's this
Okay, he thinks it's this one.
one. There. Hold on. Stop.
It says, beep, beep, I'll kill you too.
And
Yeah.
look.
And then it's like the new It mixed
Hold
with
on.
old.
Get right here.
Ah, yeah, there's the... It's the same gun.
Look, hold on. I'm gonna show them the video. Can I do that? I'm gonna show them the video.
Hold it. Oh, yeah, it starts off like this. It's kind of creepy. Gloves. And then I think in the video you'll see me in the background. I was just standing there waiting because I didn't know what to freaking do.
It shows the camera. I wonder what camera he has. Did you see what camera he had?
Yeah, it was a pretty good camera.
Okay, guys.
He speaked. That sounds like my cousin. My cousin Alexander.
Show him where he pops the balloons.
Oh yeah,
It's creepy.
But my cousin Alexander doesn't know what happened. I'll have a cousin Alexander. I just wanted to make something up. Wait, what? What the fuck is this guy doing?
That guy who commented that video was fake. I don't know what his channel name was, but I know one thing. This is him. This is what not just happened.
Wait, that guy's so mean.
And then look, you'll see me. Oh, I think you can see me.
Crap, I think
You can't. You ain't gonna be able to pause it. Good. Just try to.
Right there.
Yeah, right.
See, it shows him what.
See, right there. I'm standing there and I'm fixing to run out there and be like,
I'll just lap.
I was like, oh my god, what's happening? See, my hands are behind my head. I don't know what the frick to do. I thought about running and grabbing you, Ryder, but you were using the freaking bathroom, so I couldn't.
Hope you guys enjoy the new channel.
Look, he even said, that guy was watching me in the background. He even said that.
Well, since you saw that.
Oh yeah, he said something on your channel too.
Okay, we gotta hurry up and show it. It's almost 15 minutes long. 50 minutes.
The fun would never end. So I had to say that. Just I wanted to say that. I just wanted to show him that. Oh yeah, bad shout out to.
Just go.
This guy sucks. Look at him. Wait, he didn't say. He said something, but he deleted his comment because he's scared of me.
Okay, go to the video. I have to.
That's what, Random Potato Head. Random Potato Head.
I think it was on this one. Yeah. It says.
Well, that's my channel. He said, you must have angered the clowns. And he said, yeah, don't scare me, I'm hugged. So, little thing, you know, he said like that.
He has angered us and he will pay for it.
He will pay for it. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the end of the video.
No, he also said this. He said, I am coming back for you.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm coming for you, bro. I'm coming to your house and I will find you. Well, hope you guys enjoyed just a little thing, a random video. After this, I'll probably post a plush video. Well, hope you guys enjoyed.
No, I didn't mean to subscribe to him.
And see you.
Should I subscribe to this?